Sound, camera, action.
We have Mr. Paritosh Painter with us. Thank you, Pari, for being here.
Thank you, Nasir, for inviting me.
आज मैं सोच रहा था थोड़ा हटके थोड़ा अलग करूं अपने अनलॉक्ड बॉलीवुड में to bring theater also because theater is also a part of cinema, of entertainment.
Absolutely. Careers have all started with theater only.
हाँ.
And theater से ही फिर हम आप जैसे टीवी स्टार्स बने और फिर films.
Oh my God.
We had to go through that stage.
Through that process.
Directly, we were a born actor. We had to
become actors.
Mold ourselves to be actors and then.
तो नहीं तो मुझे वही पूछना था कि how did you मतलब ये एक्टिंग कहाँ से आई या you had thought कि पहले कुछ और करूँगा स्कूल में और कॉलेज
में अभी तक आई नहीं है कोशिश जारी है
I think that is the best way ना because that is the way you keep growing
but it all started, the whole journey started from our college, Mithibhai College, where we started representing our college in intercollegiate competitions. And fortunately, we had a wonderful batch. Right now, all of them pretty successful in their own fields. Whether it was Bosco Caesar, Sajid Wajid, Shreyas Talpade, Vivek Oberoi, Alim, Ninad, who's a great dubbing artist. He's one of the top-notch dubbing artists. So
all this list that you've taken, Alim has gone into hair. Bosco Caesar have gone into choreography, Sajid Wajid music director, Shreyas actor, Vivek Oberoi actor. तो एक अलग variety.
पराग देसाई.
पराग PR में चला गया, पराग देसाई. Right. But मुझे ये जानना है कि ठीक है, वो तो कॉलेज की वजह से, उसके पहले क्या था कि मैं बड़ा होके मैं क्या बनूंगा, क्या करना था, क्या प्लान था?
हाँ.
जो माँ बाप सोचते अपने बच्चों के लिए कि मेरा बेटा बड़ा होके ये बनेगा.
So we had a chemical factory. So my dad always wanted me to do my chemical engineering because he was a chemical engineer himself and he had done his business management. So he said, "Beta, factory hai, jana padega." So I did my business management from NMIMS, and then I didn't want to go to the factory because factory was in Tarapur. So I said कि जितना पढ़ाई करते रहो उतना फैक्ट्री से
दूर रहोगे.
दूर रहूँगा. So then I got admission in UDCity, that is University Department of Chemical Technology, and I started doing my textile engineering there.
Wow.
So yes, but in the first year of textile engineering, I also happened to audition for campus.
But थोड़ा acting पे जाने से पहले, so it was a chemical factory. So what chemical factory? मुझे नहीं पता chemical factory में क्या होता है.
So we used to make raw materials for pharmaceuticals, and so different raw materials, and and I did my BSc in chemistry because I knew, अगर acting में कुछ नहीं हुआ तो finally I have to go back to the factory. So I did that, then did my business management, then chemical technology. But I was always fascinated with this industry and wanted to be a part of this industry. I didn't know how, but fortunately, I think I should thank my college, actually Mithibhai College, because they was so prominently involved. The cultural wing was so strong and involved in a lot of intercollegiate activities that it helped me find my way through. So I think I should thank my college for allowing me to pursue my dreams in a way.
Okay. Then as a parent, mother, father, दोनों का क्या reaction था when you told them कि भाई मुझे ये नहीं करना, मुझे तो acting करना है, because कहाँ chemical और कहाँ acting, मतलब alphabets भी same नहीं है दोनों में.
Best is the mothers ना, because mothers always feel कि तू तो born star है.
अच्छा.
तू तो शाहरुख खान है, मतलब so I was like okay मैं तो पापा को बताओ फिर अगर मैं शाहरुख
So you had full support from your mother.
Yeah, so
कि मेरा चंदा, मेरा सोना, ये
हाँ,
तो दूसरा दिलीप कुमार बनेगा, अमिताभ बच्चन बनेगा, शाहरुख खान
फिर
बनेगा।
अभिषेक लॉन्च हुआ तो तू तो अभिषेक बच्चन है एकदम।
ओ सेम।
तो फिर हाँ, सो फिर तो मैंने बोला भाई ये मैं जानता हूँ, मैं अभिषेक हूँ, मैं शाहरुख हूँ, मेरे में है वो, बट बाप को समझाओ कि मेरे में क्वालिटीज है। बट फाइनली माय डैड आल्सो वाज लाइक कि तू भाई पढ़ाई वढ़ाई कर ले, उसके बाद whatever you want to do, I am there for you. But he was very keen that I finish my management and
एजुकेशन।
to finish the curriculum at UD City. But unfortunately मुझे वही फर्स्ट ईयर UD City में कैंपस के ऑडिशंस हुए, ऑडिशंस में सिलेक्ट हुआ, फिर मैं कॉलेज गया ही नहीं फिर सीधा शूटिंग। तो my dad was a little pissed, but then popularity etc everything सब कुछ हुआ, तो then he said कि चल भाई देखो एक मिला है, you want to do something like this, then carry on. Yeah.
And then so from acting into TV serials, theater कहाँ से बीच में आ गया?
So I like I told you, it all started with participating in various drama competitions etc.
Okay, so first it was
like,
the drama competitions in the college, and then the campus,
then
on
yes,
campus
then
पे campus का audition आया, and
audition,
वो
yes,
campus पे campus का selection हो गया.
तो वो
So you must be having campus cola when you were young.
Amazing story on how we all, fortunately the whole Miti Bhai drama team was picked up to do campus.
Oh.
So Ninad, so all of us was college friends. Ninad, myself, Ballu, Sandy, all of us who were cast in campus. So that it's a lovely story actually.
But please, I want to hear that story.
Yes. So Ninad and me, we were the first ones to be cast for campus. Everybody had auditioned from the Miti Bhai drama team. Somehow, Sanjeev Bhattacharya, the director of campus, and me, we built a very good rapport. And हम लोग कुछ कर नहीं रहे थे, तो I asked Sanjeev ji if I can be a part of this whole process, because it was a new thing for me. I had done my drama, but television I've not done anything. So I told him, I will help you out with scheduling, etc. because I want to learn कि कैसा है क्या है. Now, during that process, what happened was there were a lot of people who had auditioned, but there were these college friends of mine who had auditioned for this. उसमें से सिर्फ 2 ही लोग select हुए थे, निनाद और मैं. And Zee TV में meeting थी. So we were supposed to carry all the photographs, because उस time photographs होते थे, कि पहले photos देखते थे and whatever. तो आरिफ ज़कारिया,
Photoshop ना किए हुए photographs.
Photoshop ना किए हुए photograph. And Arif Zakaria was Sanjeev ji's favorite because he had done Chunauti with him, etc. तो आरिफ ज़कारिया ने सारे अपने कौन सा कॉलेज था वो टाउन का,
केसी
नहीं,
HR, Xavier's
नहीं, सिडनिम, आरिफ सिडनिम से था. तो आरिफ ने क्या किया था, सिडनिम के सारे उसके बंदे, सिडनिम ड्रामा टीम के बंदे इसमें डाल दिए थे. बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली उस टाइम आरिफ को यूएस जाना पड़ा किसी काम से.
फॉर्चुनेटली,
हाँ, फॉर्चुनेटली फॉर हिम, अनफॉर्चुनेटली मेरे लिए फॉर्चुनेटली. तो मैंने क्या किए, जो सारे उसके फोटोज थे ना, जो सिडनी कॉलेज के बंदों के फोटोज थे ना, वो मैंने फेंक दिए,
फोटोशॉप कर दिया.
अब उसके पीछे ही नंबर्स लिखे हुए होते हैं,
Right.
स्टिकर्स आते थे, उसके पीछे नाम और नंबर लिखते थे. अब जिस दिन जी टीवी की मीटिंग है, उस दिन संजीव जी सुबह फोटोज ढूंढ रहे कि साले फोटोज गए किधर. मैंने बोला संजीव जी अभी छोड़ो, अभी नहीं मिल रहे, ये है मेरे पास एक लिस्ट है, ये जो है आई कैन वाउच फॉर देम, दे आर वेरी गुड. एंड मैंने सारे मिठी भाई के लोगों को उसमें डाल दिया, मतलब हर एक जन, मतलब एक ही कास्टिंग बची थी. फाइनली वो भी मिठी भाई का ही बंदा आ गया, बट वो किस राइटर की वजह से आ गया. एंड फाइनली संजीव जी हैड नो ऑप्शन. वो आरिफ को फोन कर रहे हैं, बट टाइम डिफरेंस की वजह से आरिफ उधर सो रहा है. और तो यहाँ सब मिठी भाई वालों की फोटोज डाल के जी टीवी में गए, वहां प्रेजेंटेशन दिया, सबको अप्रूव करके लेके आया. नेक्स्ट दिन आरिफ सुबह उठ के फोन करता है, तुम्हें पता चलता है उसके सब बंदे बाहर और ये सब बंदे अंदर. सो इट वाज मतलब क्या क्या किया है. So then that's how Ballu got in. Then there's another guy, Manoj Pandey, Ankur, Ashish Prabhu Desai, Dipesh Majetia, all the other cast except Ninad and me came in because ये हमने थोड़ा झोल कर दिया.
झोल. Oh.
मतलब it was a good
And
experience.
when you started out theater, so you started with somebody या खुद से किया? What was that
Yes.
process?
So theater was something which I always wanted to do, and at that point of time, you know, when I started, though I due to campus we had certain fame, etc. But theater was controlled by a couple of people. So to get an auditorium in Bombay, to get a date in Bombay, auditorium date over weekends was impossible. A new producer could never, get an allotment. So I went to this one lovely person. His name is Vinay Para. He was the manager of Bhaidas Hall. And we were very close to him because Bhaidas was a part of the whole Mithibai college Kelamni Mandal thing. So he knew us because we used to do drama, theatre in college. So I told him कि विनय भाई यार, I want to do theatre but auditorium की date ही नहीं मिल रहा है. And I wanted to start with English or Hindi. So he said कि ऐसे तो नहीं मिलेगा भाई, देखो किसी के साथ join होना पड़ेगा तो ही, you know, you can get. So I said I'm ready to join hands. मुझे तो ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. That's when he introduced me to Dinyar Contractor.
So you wanted to do theater as an actor?
No, as an actor, producer basically.
Okay, so at that young age only you had decided कि मुझे theater produce भी करना है.
Produce करना है. That,
how old were you at that time?
I was 96, so 23.
Okay.
22, 23.
So at that time you had decided that I want to produce also theater.
Theater, yeah. So I went to, we did in fact, before that, when I decided to produce theater, I wrote a play based on Archie's, the comics. And we had a lovely cast. Vivek Oberoi was playing Reggie. I was doing Jughead. Ninad was playing Archie. Ashwini Kalsekar, if you know.
Right.
She was playing Veronica. Tadha Nigam, she was playing Betty. Then Pooja Ghai, she was playing Big Ethel. So we had a lovely cast at that time, and
all these people later on did a lot of television. They became television celebrities.
Yes, they became television celebrities. So I had produced that play. So we started rehearsals, and then I started approaching auditoriums, but I didn't get dates anywhere. That's when I went to Vinay Bhai and I told him कि यार मेरे को करना है, but कुछ है नहीं. So that's when Vinay Bhai advised me कि तू एक काम कर, you meet this person, Dinyar Contractor, and he's a good guy. And that's how I met Dinyarji for the first time. And I showed him the script of Archie's. I told him that I want to do this Archie's.
And who had written that script?
I had written that script.
Okay.
Archie's. So I told him that I want to do.
उसमें भी humor था.
हाँ मतलब वो तो अपना. So but Dinyarji looked at the script and he said यार ये तो बहुत बड़ा musical है, ये है वो है, तुझे कुछ experience है? I said नहीं सर, मेरा first play है. He said एक काम कर बेटे, ऐसे इतना ये मत उछल, पहले एक छोटा सा play कर. You know the circuit, what is theatre, कहाँ auditorium, because the way you are planning this kind of a musical, there are only two auditoriums. One is Shanmukanand and the other is NCPA, which will support this kind of a, but this is not how theatre runs in India. तू शायद ब्रॉडवे देख के आया है तो उससे थोड़ा सा इंस्पायर हुआ है, बट वो इधर नहीं चलेगा. तो तू एक काम कर कि तू एक छोटा सा प्ले प्रोड्यूस कर, and then we will see. So I bought his idea and I thought he made sense. So that's when I produced my first play, which in 1996. It was called Whose Wife Is It Anyway? Where Dinyarji was a partner with me. And then that was the play which was finally made by Rohit Shetty as the film All the Best. All the Best.
Oh.
Was based on that
play.
On
that play? Whose Wife Is It Anyway?
And it was also made in Hindi under the title
All the Best में संजय मिश्रा का बताना धोंडू, ये वो वाली है ना?
वही वाली
संजू जहाँ उसको बोलता है ये तो पागल है,
पटूरे और संजय मिश्रा का.
हाँ, okay, so that is from this, so proper rights लेके हुआ था.
हाँ हाँ फिर उसके बाद मैंने हिंदी में प्ले बनाया अंकल समझा करो.
तो whose wife is in any was in English?
It was in English.
अच्छा.
So that was my first production. And then from there on, with Dinyarji, I made a couple of plays. My second play was called Liar Liar. Then I did a play called I Do, I Don't, जहाँ से Delnaz Irani joined हो गई.
Okay.
And then that was the first time I met Delu. So that play, the role was not being done by Delnaz.
Okay.
It was being played by another girl called Dilnaz Irani.
Right.
But Dilnaz Irani, 5-6 days before the premiere, she got a TV show or a film or something which she had to shoot, and premiere tha mera, and so we couldn't adjust. So that's how Dinyarji called Delnaz Irani, and that's how Delnaz came in, and then from there in, we've been together, Delnaz, for all my plays and all my shows. So that was my third play, I Do, I Don't. Then I did I Love You Too, Amar Akbar Antony, Madhouse.
So many. The list goes on and on and on and on. But
And then we met at See No Evil, Hear No Evil.
But I want to know, so where does this humorous streak come from? Because I know you personally very, very well. You know how close we are. People probably don't know. But तो जो humorous streak है वो कहाँ से आता है? वो family में किसके पास है दूसरा?
नहीं यार, ऐसा तो किसी के पास नहीं है.
किसी के पास नहीं.
हाँ, but हाँ ये आजू बाजू वाले हैं ना, बल्लू वल्लू वो. So, but yeah, I've always been fond of comedies, and whether it is Charlie Chaplin, Buster Keaton, Lauren Hardy's, I've followed them, watched them, and loved them, and inspired by them, did stuff that they have done. So yeah, so I think it's been there since.
And then you got into directing films also. So first, did you write a film or did you directly direct paying guest?
No, so our play, See No Evil, Hear No Evil, Speak No Evil, that is when this all started. So when we were doing the show of See No Evil, Hear No Evil, Speak No Evil, Induji was making a film called Pyare Mohan.
With Vivek Oberoi.
With Vivek and Fardeen. Which was
blind and
a deaf and a blind and a dumb.
See No Evil, Hear No Evil is again blind, deaf and dumb.
Deaf and dumb, yeah.
So that was the first blind, deaf and dumb that you did play?
Yeah, that was the first blind.
Okay.
And Induji had come to watch that play because he was making this film.
Okay.
So post that, Induji called me and he loved the play. So he said कि तू मुझे ये set पे मिलने आ. I was damn excited. Indra Kumar asking me to meet him and all. तो मैं मिलने गया and because Vivek was a friend any which ways college से, तो मतलब वहाँ introduction भी अच्छा हो गया, सब कुछ अच्छा हो गया. And there Induji told me कि तू film क्यों नहीं लिखता? तो I said sir मुझे मतलब आती नहीं है film लिखने, मैंने कभी लिखी नहीं है कुछ नहीं. तो Induji said मेरे पास एक thought है, तू लिखेगा क्या उसके ऊपर? मैं बोला सर ट्राई करता हूँ, कोशिश करता हूँ, अगर हो गया तो. So that's the time he narrated to me the thought of Dhamal. So I said, and I think everybody knows it's based on a film called It's a Mad, 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 Mad World, and it had been my all-time favorite film. And when he said the name, I was like, sir, matlab, I would like to give it a shot. And then I wrote a couple of scenes, etc. And I met Induji, and I narrated him the scenes, and he said, "अरे ठीक है, मतलब थोड़ा फिल्मी गिरी डालनी पड़ेगी, but बाकी सब तो ठीक है." And Induji said, "मैं तो हूँ ही, so I will guide you." And I said, "ठीक है sir, let's try." And then that was it. Then I wrote Dhamal. That was the first film, along with Ballu and Bunty, and it took about 8-9 months to write that film because for us also it was the first time. But it was a great experience. And then Dhamal went on to become.
As a director, which you did with Subhash Ghai, that was before or after this?
After this.
अच्छा इसके बाद आई Paying Guest?
हाँ.
अच्छा.
So वो भी एक किस्सा है अच्छा. So after Dhamal released, I was doing a play called Paying Guest. with Delu and during that time. So there were two plays which were going on. One was Paying Guest, and I did a play called Ye Kya Ho Raha Hai. So Ye Kya Ho Raha Hai was a play which we did as an experiment, which ran in Rangsharda from the 1st of May to the 30th of May, every day, daily shows.
Ooh.
So it was a nice experience, good fun, and so somebody from Subhashji's office had come to see that play, and at the same time, he happened to, just before that, he had happened to watch Paying Guest as well, the play, and उसके बाद धमाल release हुई. So he called me up one day while I was in Delhi. So we had gone to Delhi to do a show of the play I Do, I Don't, another play. And he calls me, and Friday we reached Delhi, and Friday night को मुझे phone आता है कि Paritosh, I am Puneet Agarwal and I am calling from Mukta Arts and Subhashji would like to meet you. मैंने बोला हाँ मतलब first तो मुझे लगा कुछ prank call वगैरह होगा, but then he sounded genuine because he 2-3 नाम लिए उसने कि इससे मुझे नंबर मिला, ये मिला, वो मिला. तो ऐसे ठीक है, मैं सैटरडे संडे इधर दिल्ली में शोज हैं, मैं मंडे आके ही आई विल मीट सुभाष जी. सो ही सेड नहीं, मंडे तो पॉसिबल नहीं है क्योंकि मंडे सुभाष जी इज गोइंग टू यूरोप टू शूट फॉर युवराज. तो आई सेड बट अभी मैं कुछ कर नहीं सकता, मैं तो इधर ही हूँ अभी. तो ही सेड एक काम नहीं कर सकते, तुम कल आ जाओ बॉम्बे एंड सुभाष जी को मिलो और वापस चले जाओ. बोला ऐसे कैसे होगा? बोला हाँ हम टिकट भेज देते हैं. बोला इतना क्या मतलब अर्जेंसी है? बोला नहीं वी वांट यू एंड यू कम. तो मैंने बोला नहीं, पहले आप टिकट भेजो, बिकॉज आई थॉट कि ये फिल्म वालों का भरोसा नहीं. पता चले वन में भेज दिया, आने का बोला अभी तू देख ले भाई. और शाम को शो इधर. आई डिस्कस्ड विद ऑल द कास्ट कि भाई ऐसा ऐसा है, मुझे जाके आना पड़ेगा, तो मैनेज कर लोगे क्या? तो सब लोग ने बोला हाँ अभी शोज तो हुए थे काफी, इट्स जस्ट दैट वी कुडंट रिहर्स. पर अंदर से तो फट रही थी कि गया और साला कुछ लफड़ा हो गया, नहीं पहुंचा. एंड इट वाज अ सोल्ड आउट शो इन दिल्ली इन सिरी फोर्ट ऑडिटोरियम. तो यू कैन इमेजिन क्राउड ऑफ 3000 पीपल, और मैं पहुंचा नहीं तो बैंड बज जाएगी. बट अर्ली मॉर्निंग उन्होंने मुझे टिकट भेजा, रिटर्न टिकट भेजा, अर्ली मॉर्निंग फ्लाइट. I took that flight, I reached the airport and Puneet was there to receive me at the airport. And so Subhashji had another house actually in Jogeshwari near Whistling Woods. So he took me there and वहाँ एक तो Subhashji थे नहीं, but उनकी वो चेयर रखी थी और चेयर के पीछे कैसा ना क्लॉक है. क्लॉक पे ना उनकी सारी फिल्म्स के नाम लिखे हैं, कर्ज, राम लखन, ये वो. एंड उसको देख के तो ऐसा लगता है कि fuck man, मतलब where am I? And then he walks in with his coffee mug and he says hi Paritosh. Subhash Ghai, I said Paritosh Painter. तो अरे आपके बारे में बहुत सुना है, ऐसा है, मैंने ना धमाल देखी है परितोष, ना मैंने ये देखी है, बट ऐसे वैसे काफी जगह सुना है. आई वॉन्ट यू टू राइट फॉर मी सम कॉमेडी फिल्म. तो तुम्हारे पास कोई सब्जेक्ट्स है क्या? तो मैंने बोला हाँ सर सब्जेक्ट्स है, ऐसे कुछ सोच के रखे हैं मैंने. तो ही सेड नरेट द सब्जेक्ट्स. सो आई नरेटेड हिम. अभी इम्प्रॉम्प्टू 2-3 सब्जेक्ट्स जो ऐसे सोच के रखते हैं हम, तो आई नरेटेड हिम 2-3 सब्जेक्ट्स. सो ही सेड कि who should direct this? So abhi that time we were good friends with Rohit Shetty, matlab because Raminder Ballu's brother was assisting Rohit, so we used to go and meet Rohit, Neeraj Vora, ऐसे 2-3 नाम जो थे कॉमेडी के वो टाइम. So I said कि ये 2-3 लोग हैं who can be good. So he said why not you? So I said नहीं sir, I've never directed. So he gave me his story. He said भाई मैं भी राइटर बनने आया था, मेरे को सबने जी पे एल दी.
एक्चुअली तो मैं एक्टर बनने आया था, फिर मैं
राइटर बनने आया था, फिर राइटर बन के कालीचरण लिखी, सब लोग ने भगाया, फिर फाइनली मुझे डायरेक्टर बनने का ये मिला. तो मुझे भी तब तक कुछ डायरेक्शन का आता नहीं है, बट मैं लकीली टीम मिल गई अच्छी, कास्ट मिल गई अच्छा, सब कुछ हो गया, प्रोड्यूसर मिल गया अच्छा. तो अब I will give you the whole paraphernalia कि DOP अच्छा देता हूँ, assistant ये वो, तो तू कर ले. मैंने बोला सर मेरे को सोचने का तो टाइम. तो बोला नहीं, मैं तो रात को जा रहा हूँ, यूरोप जा रहा हूँ, तो मैं कैसे मतलब टाइम नहीं दे सकता. तू अभी डिसाइड कर और एग्रीमेंट वगैरह ये पुनीत बनाते रहेगा, बट तू बता हाँ या ना. मैंने बोला यार सर ऐसे कैसे. बोला नहीं तू कर ले यार. मैंने भी बोला अभी सुभाष घाई बोल रहे तो मैं
कर लो.
ना बोलने वाला. तो आई आल्सो सेड हाँ भाई चल लेट्स ओके सर. एंड I said, but I don't know anything about the camera or anything. So he said, don't worry. And basically, फिर बाद में उस पुनीत ने मुझे drop किया airport. I went back. So it was like a dream यार कि इतना ऐसे हो गया. I was also surprised कि ये क्या हो रहा है मेरे साथ.
And then from there, the journey to films and to film writing and
Film writing,
so many
yes,
movies
and television
after that.
production. वो पूरा फिर.
Wow. But primarily, I also want to discuss this thing that you do with that Shri Adi Manav. The three characters, the deaf, blind, and dumb characters.
Yes. Right.
So we have the other two also joining in, Ballu and Jayesh.
Yeah.
So we'll just bring them in right now.
वापस गया.
सब समझ में आ गया अभी. I am confused.
चलो 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 धंधे पे ध्यान दो. चलो चलो चलो.
And now we have with us Jayesh and Balvinder. Thank you for being here.